Hi, my friend. It's Kim, and this is 50 and Fabulous, a lifestyle channel that explores all things beauty, skincare, and lifestyle for women over 50. So if you're a woman over 50, click the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share me with your friends. And you'll be notified every time there's a new video, and it'll be related specifically to you. So today is part 2 of our clinical solutions. So if you remember, a couple days ago, I did the video on the Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5, along with the Calm and Restore Facial Milk set. So hopefully you're using that and you're loving it. Well, as promised, we have 2 new products. We have our 2 new individual boosters. This is our C plus resveratrol line reducer and our HA plus ceramide hydrator. So you can add this every day to your skincare routine. So stay right here. We will be back. I'll share the details, applications, and the benefits with you. See you in a few minutes. So let's get started. So who are these 2 products for? Or a set? Well, they're all women, 20 plus like you and I. Remember, in part 1, I mentioned that some stats that beginning in our early 20s, every single year you approximately lose 1% of your collagen and elastin. It's really insane. So why a booster? What makes this little bottle so fantastic? Well, boosters, they're concentrated. They're targeted skincare solutions designed specifically to supercharge and personalize your existing skincare routine. So, allowing you to target a single benefit like never before. Okay, you ready for the juicy details? Remember, Clinical Solutions has 4 products, but today we're talking about the 2 boosters. Okay, so these are our 2 newest items added to the family of the Clinical Solutions. The first one I'm going to introduce to you is the C plus resveratrol line reducer. It targets fine lines, wrinkles, okay? It's clinically shown to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So what makes this product so great? Okay, number 1, vitamin C. Pure boosters have pure ingredients. So when it starts with C, that is your main ingredient. So vitamin C, it clinically shown to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles that are caused by the photo damage. Okay, resveratrol. Yes, resveratrol. There's a word. Wait till the next one. Highly potent antioxidant with the ability to fight visible signs of aging, right? Dryness, skin not looking healthy and happy. Acetyl hexapeptide 8. Yes, tongue twister. That helps restore the peptides, right? And helps diminish the signals that over time leads to wrinkles and lines. The HA plus ceramide hydrator. What does it do? It plumps and it hydrates, right? So the HA stands for hyaluronic acid. You might have heard of that before. It is a powerhouse humectant known to bind more than 1,000 times its weight in water. Ceramide, essential for retention of skin moisture, and the Verbena officinals extract. It's a plant extract that's known to improve skin hydration and support our skin barrier function. Okay, so let me give you an application demonstration. So we're going to begin, as you do every day, by cleansing your face and completely drying your skin. So I've already done that. I use my Time Always Repair cleanser, foamed, lathered. It feels so yummy and good. Now, I'm going to apply my eye cream. And remember why I like this product so well. Always remember to treat your eyes as if they have a cucumber around them, to protect them from using any other lotion or cream on them unless it specifically says for the eyes. Okay, now let's get into our drops. So we're always going to begin with the C plus resveratrol line reducer. This is the first of the two. And you will see it has a dropper on it. Okay, so if I put this in, squeeze it, it's going to give me that much. Now we don't want to touch our skin with this dropper because we want to keep it without any bacteria on it. So I'm just going to drop 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use up to 6 drops if you prefer. I find that 4 works just fine for me. Now, rub this around, and then I just, remember, stay away from your eyes. Don't forget your neck. Always upward, outward motion. Now, we want to completely let this dry. And then we're going to begin, next step, with our HA plus ceramide hydrator. Remember what this does, this plumps and it hydrates. So we're going to do the same thing. Okay? You'll see this one is a lot thicker. I find 3 works really well for me. This one you can use morning and night. The first one you can use morning and night, except for when you're using your retinol 0.5. You will skip the C plus resveratrol line reducer. All right, so let's put it all over. This is so creamy. It feels so good. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Okay, so now I'm going to let that completely dry. Now then, you'll move on to any of your serums, whatever serum that might be. Some people use the Serum C plus E. I'm going to follow up with my Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Lifting Cream. A couple pumps of that. And then my night cream or day cream. Today, I have my day cream. Don't forget to hydrate. So if it's a consultation that you would love with me, definitely hit my DM down below and we'll have a chat. If you think you already know that it will go great with your skincare, go ahead. Click on the link below and order your set. I will look for any questions that you might have as this video is playing, and I will comment and respond to any of the comments. As always, I'm happy to hear from you, and I can't wait to see results. So take a before, take a during, and take an after photo, and hashtag me, Kimm_E_Brown. I'll look for your comments and questions below. Remember, I'm your girl. I'm here to help you with anything and everything you might need to want to know. See you next time. Have a fabulous day.